products that are used a lot in your life. I have brought their upgraded and premium version for you. I will give you the link, which you will find easily on Amazon. These products will be used more in your life. All the product links will be found in the comment and description. You can buy from there. Let's go. First of all, introducing the stainless steel push whisk by Balevi, the ultimate kitchen essential. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this whisk is perfect for a wide range of culinary tasks, from whisking eggs to whipping cream. Its efficient rotating mechanism makes mixing a breeze, while its easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free cleanup. Made to last, with a plastic tip to prevent scratching and backed by a lifetime guarantee, the Balevi whisk is a must-have for every home chef. Next, introducing the Hula Home Continuous Spray Bottle, a revolutionary tool for hairstyling, cleaning, and more. Crafted from premium PET material, it delivers a continuous fine mist spray lasting 1 to 2 seconds after just the second trigger pull. Designed with a light trigger pull for ease of use, it's perfect for individuals with arthritis. Refilling is effortless with its unique twist-top design, ensuring quick replenishment without the need for unscrewing. Its leak-proof and 360-degree spray features offer precise application while protecting surfaces. Troubleshooting tips are included for optimal performance. With its innovative design and unparalleled functionality, the Hula Home Continuous Spray Bottle is a must-have for every household or salon. Introducing the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit, the ultimate solution for keeping your car impeccably clean. Designed as the perfect car cleaning tool, this innovative gel is engineered to reach every nook and cranny of your vehicle, from the air vents to the dashboard. With its eco-friendly composition and lavender scent, it's a must-have for both men and women looking to maintain their car's interior. Easy to use, simply push the cleaning gel into tight cracks and watch as it effortlessly lifts away dirt and dust. Whether it's the steering wheel, cup holders, or console panel, this car cleaning putty ensures a thorough clean without the hassle. Plus, it's reusable, allowing you to use it multiple times until it turns black and then store it conveniently in its jar. But it doesn't stop there. This versatile gel isn't just for cars. It's also perfect for cleaning electronics, keyboards, laptops, cell phones, and even furniture, making it a handy tool for home and office use. And with its brand new packaging, you can trust that you're getting a quality product every time. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, our dedicated team is here to assist you promptly. Introducing the HiLIFE steamer for clothes in a sleek blue design. This portable handheld steamer is a game changer for anyone looking to banish wrinkles quickly and effortlessly. With its powerful 700W motor, it generates gentle yet penetrating steam that effectively removes wrinkles from a wide range of fabrics, including chiffon, silk, wool, cotton, linen, and nylon. The steamer features a large 240 ml water tank, providing up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming, ensuring you can freshen up multiple garments in one go. What's more, its compact and lightweight design makes it the perfect travel companion, fitting easily into any suitcase or carry-on luggage. Plus, with a convenient 9-foot power cord, you'll have the flexibility to steam clothes from a distance without any hassle. However, it's essential to note that the HiLIFE garment steamer is designed for use only in 110 to 125V countries and regions like the US, Canada, and Japan. Attempting to plug it into a 220V, 240V outlet, or one that's not 110, 120V will damage the product. Introducing the Keurig K-Express coffee maker in sleek black. This single-serve brewer offers strong brew options and 3 cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. With a 42 O's removable water reservoir, it's perfect for brewing multiple cups. Enjoy fast, fresh coffee in minutes with a removable drip tray for travel mugs up to 7.4 tall. Plus, it's energy efficient with an auto-off feature and compatible with the My K-Cup universal reusable coffee filter, sold separately. Say hello to effortless coffee brewing with the Keurig K-Express. Transform your sleep experience with the Linenspa 2-inch gel-infused memory foam mattress topper. This topper features plush gel-infused memory foam that conforms to your body's curves, providing personalized comfort and pressure relief. Designed to keep you cool throughout the night, the cooling gel infusions fans help dissipate heat for a comfortable sleeping temperature. Choose from a 2-inch or 3-inch profile to customize your level of comfort. Setting up is easy. Simply unroll the topper and watch it expand fully within 24-48 hours. Plus, rest assured knowing it's Yes certified for quality and safety. Upgrade your mattress and enhance your sleep with Linenspa today. Elevate your beauty routine with the Keurig Vanity desk. This stylish makeup table features a lighted mirror with 3 color options: natural, cold, and warm light. With 3 drawers and a hidden compartment, you'll have ample space to organize all your cosmetics and jewelry. The 90-degree folding mirror adds versatility, while the sturdy construction ensures durability. Easy to assemble with labeled parts and instructions included, this vanity desk is the perfect addition to any bedroom or dressing area. This product will work for your daily use. You can buy them from the link given in comment or description. And if you want to see more such videos, then just click on the video that will give you on screen. Stay safe.